My name is Ana Luisa. Today we will do a cake moon. Super easy. So come around.
With needs
4 tablespoons of milk,
1 small egg,
3 spoons of oil,
2 spoons of flour,
3 tablespoons of sugar,
2 spoons of chocolate powder,
1 spoon coffee baking powder,
and confectionery.
How to make?
A bowl mixed egg, the milk, and the water.
Mix. Add chocolate powder. Mix. Add flour and sugar gradually. Add the baking powder. Mix well.
Put the dough into mug and take to microwave for 3 minutes.
While the cake cools, make the sample.
We will need
2 tablespoons of milk,
a space of butter,
2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, condensed milk. How to make it? In a pan, place the condensed milk and chocolate powder and butter. Mix up the chicken.
and now you can start decorating your cake. Tip:
Stick the cake with a toothpick so tight the sample enters inside the cake and covers with confectionery. Decoration your cake.
I hope you enjoyed. Oh, Cake Moon! Kiss!
Bye.